Purposeful Nudge introduces System 1 and System 2 nudge design to drive adoption and shape behavior.
Welcome to Engineering the Moment of Work, a behavioral architect's blueprint for System 1 and System 2 nudging. This video will explore how to apply behavioral science to improve work processes. There is a gap between work as imagined, the clean, policy-compliant process, and work as done, the time-pressured, interrupted reality. This gap creates process debt and cognitive friction. We have two cognitive circuits, System 1, which is fast and intuitive, aiming for ease, and System 2, which is slow and deliberative, aiming for agency. Nudges can target either system. The public generally prefers System 2, educative nudges, over System 1, non-educative nudges when no effectiveness data is provided, preferring agency over ease. However, this preference shifts. When people are shown that a System 1 nudge is significantly more effective, a consistent segment trades agency for impact. Context and rights dictate the choice architecture. For instance, when a nudge makes a right easier to exercise, like automatic registration, System 1 is welcomed. The choice architect's diagnostic matrix outlines the differences. System 1 focuses on ease and compliance, while System 2 focuses on agency and education. Nudges are embedded guides that create consistent outcomes without coercion. Field services is a behavioral proving ground. Downtime impacts productivity, and technicians perform trust work. We must build behavioral nudges directly into the digital infrastructure to ensure the right behavior survives under pressure. The service standard ladder translates vague values into execution. It defines the core principle, the observable behavior, and the consistency trigger, the exact moment the nudge deploys. Engineering the moment of work involves integrating both System 1 and System 2 nudges. A System 1 guardrail can remove administrative noise for speed, while System 2 nudges, like statistical social proof and reflective prompts, engage deliberative thinking and empathy. Nudges should be deployed based on pressure level. As cognitive load and risk rise, educative nudges give way to automatic guardrails, ranging from low-pressure learning to critical pressure system blocks. System 2 nudges act as scaffolding for complex tasks, creating better choosers. This involves smart disclosures, action-oriented warnings, and transparent feedback loops that trigger deliberate reflection. To bridge the execution gap, document friction points and develop redesign hypotheses using 4 behavioral levers: eliminate, collapse, push, System 1, and validate, System 2. The synthesis is the trust loop, where System 1 and System 2 are sequenced. System 1 provides the initial suggestion. System 2 offers statistical validation, leading to action, and reinforcement informs future choices. System 1 has the wheel, but System 2 holds the map. Nudges are not just about compliance. They are about shaping identity and changing culture. By designing behavior into the system, we change outcomes. Choose one behavioral nudge, deploy it for 30 days, and watch culture change.
For more insights, subscribe to Purposeful Nudge and start rewiring your field services organization today.